This is Garissa town looking like this after the rains, man. That one you see there is Garissa Primary. Garissa Primary is somewhere. This one, Garissa Primary. And this field, this is where people play soccer. This is their field, and now this is how it looks. Look at this. It's just mud everywhere, like for real. Look at this. My camera is not focusing that well. Yeah, this is the field, man. You can see the goalpost somewhere there. That one goalpost, and there's another one on the extreme end. So this is the impact of the rain. And today, look at this. Today, even vehicles, they are parked here. Those vehicles coming from Nairobi carrying vegetable, and there are people who are used to this product called Miraa or Khat. Today they almost missed it. The vehicle have just arrived now, and it is around 2 p.m. Usually these cars are bringing vegetable and other foods. They come here very early in the morning. By 4, 5 a.m. So that by 8 a.m. and 9. In most cases, everything is offloaded and you won't see a truck here. But today, they're just arriving. Watu wako ndani ya?
Watu kuna ndani ya maji.
Maji ndio hii.
Watu na
Tulia hivyo. You can see this the trucks. They've just brought the food stuff from Nairobi, Thika, and other parts of Kenya to bring to the people of Garissa. And this is 2 p.m., almost 3. You can imagine. This is always done very early in the morning. By 8, everything is done and dusted, but today is a different day. I'm told the road was flooded and vehicle could not cross. So most of the vehicle waited until the water level went down. So they've just crossed it a few minutes ago, half an hour. They are here. So far, I thought I should share this with you guys. And if you like this kind of content, like the video, share, comment, and we meet on the next video. Thank you guys. Peace. This is Garissa town. Here, guys, this is Miraa. This is the Miraa I've been talking about. Look at this. Very fresh. Eh? Alele. Alele. It tastes weird, but people enjoy it.
Yeah, wait, take a like with it.